Welcome to Coffee with JD. I'm pleased to have Dr. Raghav Sharma again as the guest for this fifth episode of Coffee with JD. As mentioned in last show, Dr. Sharma is a medical practitioner since 1991 and is also a dedicated yoga practitioner. In this episode, we will be talking about benefits of yoga in terms of helping with the medical conditions. Welcome to Coffee with JD once again, Dr. Sharma. Please, can you give our audience an overview how yoga can complement the existing medical conditions?
So talking about medical benefits of yoga, so yoga forms a complementary type of practice in context of patients having chronic type of diseases. Obviously, any kind of acute condition, you have heart attack, you've got stroke, you have got infection, all other things won't be treated by yoga. So make sure if your viewers are on medications, keep taking your tablets, medications for diabetes, hypertension, anything, everything that you're doing, you don't need to actually change. Most of the diseases actually happen after risk factors which are there with the patient for 15 to 20 years. So you can't reverse it very quickly. So don't get this wrong impression by listening to people that, oh, these are, like a new something magical cure. No. Yoga is something which plays more of a preventive part in your body. So if you want to remain healthy, if you got illness now, you can make sure you can control your dosage of whatever, for example, diabetes or hypertension or heart disease you have. So you don't need to keep increasing your dosage of those things. That's the role of yoga or other complementary type of medicines in your life. So make sure, please, don't get the wrong idea that you can replace whatever treatment you are on. Make sure you take. It's only your doctor who can decide if you are going to stop your medications or not. And my understanding is you can't stop anything.
The information you provided is definitely going to help our viewers, Dr. Sharma. Yoga, as you said, can help to manage some of the chronic diseases. Please, can you give us some ideas as to how we can incorporate yoga to help in maintaining our good health?
So what do you do? Whatever you have, and people, especially who don't have any illness, you need to actually start taking out of your life. And stressful life in modern days today is creating lots of imbalance in our body. So we get exposed to stress. We are very busy working, driving, coming home, children. There's all these issues happening, and this is what is stress. So when you're not able to manage stress, obviously, if you don't have enough time, you're not eating good food as well. So there's a problem on eating good food. You don't have enough time to do exercise. So all of these factors actually contribute towards causing what's called non-communicable diseases or chronic type of illnesses. So very common in our community: diabetes, high blood pressure, stroke happening because of these things. Obesity is a huge problem in Western world, and our population, people are also getting now fat daily, day by day. So incorporating good practices in your life is very beneficial. So if you can reduce your obesity or fat, it will help you reduce your diabetes, hypertension, heart disease. So similarly, including yoga, which we talked about last time, asanas. So include some of these very basic rhythmic exercises. And most of us, like when you pass 40, 50 years, your joints are much weaker. So you aren't able to do very strenuous games like soccer or rugby, or you can't play tennis. Your joint is not giving you the support. So yoga, asanas are very helpful then. In Surya Namaskar, for example. So incorporate some of these exercises in your life. It will, as I said, there's lots of benefit in it. So it helps you control the secretion of different types of hormones in your body, especially those stress-producing hormones, which are directly related to, I said, diabetes, high blood pressure, cancers, and all of these conditions actually have a very serious impact on the balance of our body. So apart from that fitness, the yogic poses together with pranayams, if you can include in your life, then you are able to stimulate what's called endocrine organs, say pancreas, which produces insulin, which will help you with controlling your diabetes, other good feel hormones which will reduce your blood pressure. If you have got sciatica or back pain, yoga is as good as nowadays Western advised surgery and other things. So very, very effective in your back, sciatica or disc prolapse, and lots of other conditions, like if you get the rheumatoid arthritis, joint pains, you have asthma, because of proper breathing, your asthma will get better. Your mental status, as I said, if you secrete proper hormone, your level of Alzheimer's and other diseases like dementias the risk can be reduced. So
it is amazing how our body is working in harmony with nature. Yogic practices in ancient times were practiced by rishis, which gave them long and healthy life. Dr. Sharma, thank you so much for being on the show once again and giving us so much information which can help us to enjoy a healthy lifestyle. To all of our viewers, please stay tuned, and in the next episode, we'll be talking further on yoga. We shall meet next week, Friday. Till then, please take care, and thanks for watching Coffee with JD.